Shanghai Instrument Group focuses on automation instruments, valves, and measurement solutions. We provide complete and reliable solutions for global industrial customers. As a long-established enterprise in China, our products are widely used in petrochemical, natural gas, power, metallurgy, and environmental protection industries. We operate modern production bases with large-scale manufacturing capacity. Advanced equipment and technologies ensure high product quality and precision. Our product range covers flow, level, pressure, temperature instruments and transmitters, as well as control valves and automation systems. These products are widely applied in industries such as energy, food processing, and pharmaceuticals. We have an experienced R&D team with continuous annual investment. This ensures efficient innovation and rapid technology transformation. Our products continuously evolve to meet changing market demands. We strictly follow the ISO 9001 quality management system. From design to production and inspection, every step meets high standards. We provide full process services, including consulting, selection, design, and customization, as well as maintenance support throughout the product lifecycle. This ensures a worry-free experience for our customers. With reliable products and services, we have built a strong market reputation. We serve major enterprises and key projects with long-term spare parts supply partnerships. We actively expand in global markets and continue to grow our presence. With strong manufacturing, advanced technology, and comprehensive product lines, we have achieved remarkable success in industrial automation. In the future, we will continue to uphold innovation, efficiency, and win-win cooperation, and drive the development of industrial automation forward.